Whether you're a daily commuter, a road trip enthusiast, or someone simply looking to protect their ride, a reliable dash cam is a must-have in 2025. These compact devices have evolved far beyond just recording accidents. They now offer features like AI-driven safety alerts, 4K Ultra HD video, parking surveillance, and even real-time connectivity to your smartphone. The right dash cam not only provides peace of mind, but can also save you from legal and insurance headaches. In this roundup, we dive into the top 5 dash cams of 2025, tailored to meet every driver's needs. Let's buckle up and explore what each of these top picks has to offer. The Rove R2-4K Pro Dash Cam is the perfect choice for those seeking top-notch performance without breaking the bank. It boasts 4K Ultra HD resolution, delivering exceptionally sharp and detailed footage that captures everything from license plates to distant road sign. Its 150-degree field of view strikes a great balance between wide coverage and reduced distortion, ensuring that critical details are always visible. With WDR, wide dynamic range technology, the R2-4K excels in low-light conditions, making it a reliable companion for nighttime or dimly lit drives. Additionally, the built-in GPS tracks your speed and location, an invaluable feature for reviewing incidents or providing evidence to insurance companies. What makes the R2-4K Pro stand out as the best value dash cam is its affordability paired with premium features. The dash cam includes a user-friendly app that allows you to easily transfer, review, and share footage via Wi-Fi. It supports loop recording and has a G sensor that automatically locks crucial footage during a collision, ensuring it's not overwritten. While it lacks some of the advanced features found in higher-end models, such as voice control or cloud storage, the Rove R2-4K delivers everything you need for reliable on-the-road protection at an unbeatable price. For everyday drivers, it's the ultimate blend of quality, performance, and affordability. The Garmin Dashcam 67W earns its Best All-Around title by striking a perfect balance between features, performance, and affordability. This compact dashcam records in sharp 1440p HD resolution, delivering clear and detailed footage, while its impressive 180-degree field of view captures more of the road than most competitors. Garmin's Clarity HDR technology ensures excellent visibility in challenging lighting conditions, such as direct sunlight or low light. Its discreet design ensures it stays unobtrusive on your windshield, while the intuitive interface makes it easy for anyone to use. What sets the Dashcam 67W apart is its array of driver assistance features, including forward collision and lane departure warnings, which add an extra layer of safety during your drives. Voice control makes it convenient to save videos, start recordings, or take snapshots without lifting a finger. Paired with Garmin's Drive app, users can easily access live views, back up videos to the cloud, or share clips directly to their phones. With reliable performance, advanced safety tools, and seamless smartphone integration, the Garmin Dashcam 67W is the ultimate choice for drivers who want a dependable and feature-rich dashcam without venturing into premium price territory. The Nextbase IQ sets a new standard for dashcam technology, offering a suite of advanced features that cater to tech enthusiasts and safety-conscious drivers alike. Equipped with a tri-camera system, the IQ covers every angle, including 4K Ultra HD recording for the front view, a cabin-facing camera for interior monitoring, and a rear camera for full coverage. This ensures not only superior video quality, but also comprehensive protection in the event of an accident or incident. With its always-on connectivity, the IQ allows remote access to your car via the Nextbase app, so you can check in on your vehicle, view live footage, or receive alerts about potential threats, such as break-ins or suspicious activity. The IQ's standout feature is in its integration of AI-driven safety tools. The device can provide real-time alerts about potential risks, such as tailgating or unsafe driving behaviors, and its built-in Alexa functionality allows for hands-free control, from saving clips to playing music. While it comes with a premium price tag, the Nextbase IQ justifies the cost with cutting-edge technology, intelligent design, and superior performance. For drivers who want the best of the best, whether for added security or seamless connectivity, the Nextbase IQ is an investment worth making. The Nextbase 622GW delivers a near-perfect blend of exceptional video quality and innovative features, making it the ultimate runner-up for 2025. With its ability to record in stunning 4K UHD at 30 FPS, every detail on the road, such as license plates and road signs, is captured featured with remarkable clarity. It also includes advanced image stabilization to ensure smooth footage even on bumpy roads. The 622GW shines in low light conditions with its enhanced night vision and has an extreme weather mode that cuts through fog or rain for clear video, making it a reliable choice for all driving environments. One of its standout features is the built-in emergency SOS system, which can alert emergency services with your exact location and pre-entered medical details in the event of a serious crash. Its GPS integration and what 3-word support allows pinpoint accuracy for location tracking. The device also supports Alexa for hands-free control and includes intelligent parking mode to protect your vehicle while unattended. Though slightly bulkier than some competitors, the 622GW's robust build, intuitive 3-inch touchscreen, and safety-driven features make it a top contender for drivers seeking reliable, high-quality protection with innovative technology. The Nextbase 622GW doesn't just stop at capturing exceptional footage. It goes above and beyond with features that prioritize safety and convenience. Its intelligent parking mode offers 24/7 monitoring, activating when motion or impacts are detected around your parked vehicle. This feature is invaluable for drivers who park in public spaces or areas with frequent traffic. Additionally, the 622GW's integration with Nextbase's modular rear and cabin cameras makes it an incredibly versatile system, catering to a wide range of drivers, from commuters to rideshare professionals. The 622GW is also designed for seamless usability. Its 3-inch HD touchscreen simplifies navigation through settings and footage, while the intuitive interface ensures a smooth user experience. Video clips can be shared instantly via the My Nextbase Connect app, which pairs effortlessly with your smartphone. Although it's slightly bulkier than other models, its durable build and cutting-edge features make it well worth the investment for drivers who want a high-quality dashcam with robust safety capabilities. The Viofo A229 Pro has claimed the top spot as the best overall dashcam of 2025, offering a perfect combination of advanced features, exceptional performance, and great value. This dual-channel dashcam records in stunning 4K resolution for both the front and rear cameras, ensuring crystal clear footage from every angle. Equipped with a Sony Starvis 2 sensor, the A229 Pro excels in low light and nighttime conditions, capturing critical details even in dim settings. The wide dynamic range feature further enhances clarity, ensuring no detail is lost in high-contrast lighting situations. What sets the Viofo A229 Pro apart is its suite of smart features designed to protect you on and off the road. Its built-in GPS ensures accurate tracking of your speed and location, while the buffered parking mode and G-sensor provide reliable surveillance when your vehicle is parked. With Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, the dashcam makes it easy to transfer and manage footage via your smartphone. It also supports high-capacity memory cards, allowing for extended recording without the worry of running out of space. The Viofo A229 Pro is not only about delivering incredible video quality, but also about providing a seamless user experience. Its intuitive interface and well-designed companion app make it easy to customize settings, review recordings, and manage files. The dashcam's voice notification system is another standout feature, alerting you to critical events such as interrupted recordings or memory card error, ensuring you're always aware of the device's status. Moreover, the dual-channel system supports simultaneous front and rear recording without sacrificing resolution or frame rate, giving you comprehensive coverage for ultimate protection. Durability and reliability are other key strengths of the A229 Pro. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it a dependable option in diverse climates. The inclusion of a supercapacitor ensures consistent performance and a longer lifespan compared to traditional battery-powered dashcam. Its sleek design ensures a discreet installation, allowing it to blend seamlessly into your vehicle. For all these reasons, the Viofo A229 Pro stands out as a top-tier option for anyone looking to invest in a dependable, high-performing dashcam for daily commutes, road trips, or added security.